everybody, welcome back. If you are new here, we are running through all of the recipes inside the 5-ingredient Renal Diet Cookbook. This book is available on Amazon, so I will leave a link in my caption if you want to follow along. All of these recipes are kidney and beginner friendly, so without further ado, let's get into it. Today we're going to be making Tucson sweet French toast mug. This looks so simple and it actually looks super good. For this recipe, you're going to need all natural peanut butter, maple syrup, cinnamon, unsweetened almond milk, one egg, and low sodium white bread. So the first step is you want to crack your egg into the mug. 2 tablespoons of your almond milk. To add a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon and 1 tablespoon of your syrup. Then going to whisk this all together. Make sure it's nice and mixed up. I am making a mess, but that's okay. And then you want to take your low sodium bread and cut that up into small pieces. And then we're going to add this into our cup, and we want to mix it up and make sure that they are all thoroughly covered. Try to make them close to the same size. So I'm going to add this into my cup. I'm going to mix this up until all of the pieces are covered, and then we're going to let this sit for 5 minutes so that it can soak up all of the liquid inside. And if you think after you stir it that it doesn't seem like it's saturated enough, then just go ahead and add a little bit more of your almond milk to it. But I'll show you mine in a second. Put the escapee back. Oh, doesn't want to go. This is what mine is looking like. It looks pretty moist, so I think I'm just gonna leave mine. So I'm gonna press it down and I'm gonna let this sit for 5 minutes, and then we'll come back and pop it in the microwave. Okay, so it's been about 5 minutes. I'm gonna pop this in the microwave for 2 minutes, and we want the top to look like it's set but still moist. So we're gonna do that for 2 minutes and we'll check on it. Just took it out of the microwave, and you can see that it looks set, but you can see that it's still moist. So I think that this is actually perfect. The last step before you get to enjoy it is you want to put your peanut butter on top. 1.5 tablespoons. Okay, so the peanut butter is melting on top because it's still really warm. It's really hot, so be careful. That is really good. Literally tastes like French toast in a cup. I love it. I think it's really tasty, and I think this is so great for if you're really busy in the morning trying to get ready for work or get your kids ready for school. Like, this is something you can just whip together, toss in the microwave, get ready, and then come back and you have breakfast ready to go. I think this is fantastic. I wouldn't change a thing about it. I love cinnamon, so maybe add some more cinnamon, but this is super quick, super easy, and 10 out of 10. Just a reminder, this is where I got the recipes from. It's available on Amazon. I have a link in my caption. So thank you for watching. Have a great day and see you next time.